Want to learn how to use KeePassXC? KeePassXC is a free and open-source password manager that lets you securely store passwords, usernames, notes, and other sensitive information in an encrypted database. In this guide, I'll show you how to use KeePassXC step by step, from creating a database to adding passwords and managing your login information. Let's get started. First, open KeePassXC. If you're using the application for the first time, click Create New Database. Give your database a name, choose a secure location, and continue through the setup process. You'll then need to create a strong master password. This is the main password that protects your entire database, so choose one that is strong and easy for you to remember. Once your database is open, you can create your first password entry. Select a category or group, then click the option to add a new entry. Enter the website or service name, your username, and your password. You can also add a URL, notes, and other information that you want to keep securely stored. Instead of creating passwords manually, you can use KeePassXC's built-in password generator. Choose the length and character types you want, then generate a strong password for your account. Using unique passwords for different accounts helps improve your overall security. After adding your information, save the database to keep your changes. You can also create groups to organize entries by category, such as personal accounts, work, email, or online shopping. This makes it easier to find the login information you need later. When you need to sign into a website, open KeePassXC, unlock your database, and select the entry you need. You can copy the username or password to the clipboard and paste it into the appropriate login field. After using sensitive information, remember to avoid leaving passwords exposed unnecessarily. And that's how to use KeePassXC. With an encrypted database, strong password generation, and organized login entries, KeePassXC makes it easier to manage your passwords securely from one convenient application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.